Welcome back to my channel. Television Jamaica senior reporter Kirk Wright has been released from a hospital following a recent stabbing incident. Kirk provided an update to members of the public who have been making contact to ascertain his health status, outlining that he is doing well.
This is Kirk Wright, the one and only Kirk Wright, the one that you love so much. You know, first of all, I want to say thanks for the outpouring of love. There were some negative comments, but you know, that's okay. People say all sorts of things, that I was in ICU, I was in theater, did surgery. None of that. And much of what was said on social media is just not true. Disregard it. But you know, I'm good, and I can tell you, boy, my phone rang off the hook. I can't answer all the messages, so I'm doing this now just to let everybody know that I'm out. You know, I came out today. I'm well. I drove myself to the hospital, and I drove myself from the hospital. But people, the love, everybody who send up prayers, big up on yourself. And you know what? I'm ready for work again.
Kirk says his injuries were not life-threatening, as some members of the public had been thinking, and that he is scheduled to return to his work shortly. There are a lot of rumors going around on the internet saying that his girlfriend stabbed him and all of them something there. Listen, I know for a fact that that is a lie. That is the furthest thing from the truth. If you know the truth, you would be so surprised. I'm telling you that social media is a devil's playground. There are so many rumors going around on social media. They are not true. So I know I can't discuss the case, but I can tell you that his girlfriend stabbed him. A lie. Not so. You understand? Thanks for watching.